Does AAA roadside assistance cover classic cars? If you own a classic car, you might be wondering if AAA roadside assistance can help you in times of need. The good news is that AAA roadside assistance does cover classic cars under its standard membership plans. This includes the AAA Classic membership, which provides a variety of services to keep you safe on the road. With AAA, you get access to 24/7 roadside assistance. This means you can call for help anytime, whether you have a flat tire, need a battery jump start, or run out of fuel. The towing service typically covers distances of up to 5 or 7 miles, depending on your specific plan. This is true for both modern vehicles and classic cars alike. However, while AAA roadside assistance offers essential services, classic car owners should also consider specialized insurance coverage. Classic cars often have unique values and maintenance needs that standard auto insurance may not fully address. AAA partners with insurance carriers that focus on classic car insurance, offering features like agreed value coverage and limited mileage clauses. For classic car owners, regular maintenance is key. These vehicles may be more prone to mechanical issues, so keeping them in good condition is important. Finding a mechanic who is experienced with classic cars can help ensure that any repairs are done correctly. Additionally, budgeting for repairs and parts is essential. Classic car parts can be harder to find and more expensive than those for modern vehicles. If you plan to drive your classic car longer distances, you might want to consider upgrading to a higher AAA plan, like Plus or Premier, for extended towing distances. In summary, AAA roadside assistance does cover classic cars, providing vital services when you need them. However, to fully protect your investment, consider pairing this roadside assistance with specialized classic car insurance and a solid maintenance plan. This way, you can enjoy your classic car with peace of mind.